A very good morning, students. I hope you all are healthy, fine. Now, in today's class, we will start the topic adverb. Yes? Now, adverb, it is one of the important part of speech. So, first of all, we will understand what is adverb. Adverb is word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb in any sentence. Now, what does this modify means here? It means it adds or changes the meaning of verb, an adjective or any other adverb in any sentences. Okay. Now, let's look into these modifications with some examples to make the topic clear. Now, how does adverb modifies verb, or we can say an action performed by the subject? There are 4 ways in which adverb modifies or describes the action in the sentence. First way is how the action in the sentence performed. Second is where is the action performed. Third, when the action is performed. Fourth, how often or frequently the action that we are talking is performed. Now let's see these modification with some examples. Yes. Firstly, we will discuss of adverb how the action is performed. Now, example, the alarm rang loudly. Here we can identify that the alarm rang, but how it rang? It rang loudly. So here loudly is describing us the manner in which the alarm rang. Hence it is adverb of manner. Yes. Now let's look one more example. Harry ran quickly. Here we are able to know that Harry ran, but quickly is describing the manner in which Harry ran. So quickly is an adverb here, and this adverb is describing in which manner it is performed. So these are called adverbs of manner. I hope you all understood the first classification of adverb, that is adverb of manner. And how we know? We put the question how in the sentence. Now let's look into the second type of adverb, where an action occurred. For example, put the cake there. In this sentence, we are telling to put the cake. But at which place we have to put the cake? We are using there. And we are telling the place to put the cake. So, there word is an adverb. Now, one more example. I looked everywhere for my book. In this sentence, I looked for my book. But where I looked everywhere. So, here everywhere is the adverb. And I am telling the location where I looked the book. Yes. So these adverbs which describes where the action happened, these are called adverbs of place. I hope students you understood the second type, that is the adverb of place. Now let's look into the third type, that is when. So when exactly the action happened. Coming to an example, Kriti went to gym today. Here we are able to know that Kriti went to gym. But when she went? Today. So today is an adverb here. One more example, they go out to dinner weekly. Now in this sentence we can say that they go out to dinner without saying weekly also. Yes. But weekly is a word that is describing when they used to go or when they are going out to dinner. It describes when the action exactly happened. So these are called adverbs of time. Yes. Now let's look into the fourth way of describing the action or verb. How often or frequent the action is happening. For example, sometimes he play cricket. Now in this sentence we can understand that he plays cricket. Yes, But what is the frequency or how often he plays cricket? He plays sometimes. So sometime is adverb here. Yes? One more example. Ritesh never smokes. In this sentence, never describes us that he never do smoking and thus telling us the frequency of his smoking. So never is adverb here. As this adverb describes the frequency of action, these are called adverbs of frequency. Yes, students. So here we have seen the examples of adverbs that are describing the verbs or an action. Now let's look into the adverbs that describes an adjective. The first example, he is very happy today. Now what is the adjective here? Happy. And which word is describing the intensity of his happiness? The word very. So very is an adverb describing the adjective happy. Now we will understand this with one more example. Sia wore brightly colored dress in party. Now in this example, here what is describing a dress? It is color. So color is an adjective. Now what is the intensity of color? It is described by the word brightly. So it is an adverb. Now I hope you all have understand about adverb that is describing adjective. Now let's look into the adverbs that describes another adverbs in the sentences. For example, the dancer moves so gracefully. In this sentence, how the dancer moves is described by the adverb. That is the word gracefully. But the word so is describing the intensity of the word gracefully and thus actually describing the adverb. One more example. The scientist quite easily solved the problems. Easily is describing the action of solving the problems. So it is an adverb. But the word quite is used here to describe the adverb easily. Yes? So quite is an adverb here and is actually describing another adverb easily. So students, these are the basics about adverbs that we should know. Now let's quickly revise what all we have learned from this video. Firstly, adverbs are the words that modifies three things. That is verb, adjective or adverb. Depending on the way the adverb describes any action or the verb, they are further divided into four types. That is, adverb of manner describes how an action happened. Adverbs of place, it describes where an action happened. Adverb of time, it describes when an action happened. Adverb of frequency, that describes how often the action took place. These are the main four types of adverbs. There are more adverbs classification in your book it is given. So students, I want you all to read all the classification of adverbs. These were the main. Rest, I think so with the example you will be able to understand. Thank you so much students. God bless you.